we'd like you to have this flower from the Religious Consciousness Church. Would you care to make a donation?
No, but thank you anyway.
Don't tell me which zone is for stopping and which zone is for loading.
Listen, Betty, don't start up with your white zone shit again.
Hello, sir. We'd like you to have this flower on behalf of the Church of Religious Consciousness. Would you kick...
It takes so many things to make love last. Most of all, it takes respect. And I can't live with the man I don't respect.
Captain over, white courtesy phone. Captain Clarence over.
I've got it.
Thank you.
Excuse me, we'd like you to have this flower from the Church of Religious Consciousness.
Well, there's some light scattered cover at 20,000, icing around 15.
Here, have a nice trip.
Oh, got to be. Yo, shit.
First time.
No, I've been nervous lots of times.
Okay, here, hurry.
Oh, but it's your watch. You shouldn't. You're gonna need this.
It's all right. It doesn't work.
Bill! Bill! Oh, with me all the time. I swear to you.
Darling, take care of yourself. Goodbye.
We have clearance, Clarence. Roger, Roger. What's our vector, Victor?
Do you have anything light?
How about this leaflet, famous Jewish sports legends?
Supple, pouting breasts, firm thighs.
But enough about me. I hope this hasn't been boring for you.
Ah, gee whiz.
I can dig grease and trumpet on some butter and drag him through the garden.
Cream? No, thank you. I take it black. Like my man.
I love you, Elaine.
I love you.
Sure. You ever been in a cockpit before?
No, sir, I've never been up in a plane before.
You ever seen a grown man naked?
I remember how you used to hold me. How I used to sit on your face and wrinkle, and afterwards how we'd watch till the sun came up. When it did, it was almost like...
You're too low, Ted. You're too low.
Wish I could say the same for George Zip.
I'm getting tired.
Yeah, all right. Take 5.
Thanks.
Thinks he's Ethel Merman.
You'll be swell. You'll be great. Gonna have the whole world on a plate. There is only one river. There is only one people. We are one and we are the Father. We are one.
It was probably due to the advanced American teaching techniques that we were able to bridge the generations of isolation and communicate so successfully with. And that, as much as anything else, led to my drinking problem. I really couldn't blame Elaine. She wanted a career.
Have you ever been in a Turkish prison?
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry I have to wake you. You a doctor?
That's right.
This woman has to be gotten to a hospital.
A hospital? What is it?
It's a big building with patients, but that's not important right now. Captain, how soon can you land?
I can't tell.
You can tell me. I'm a doctor.
No, I mean, I'm just not sure.
Or can't you take a guess?
Well, not for another 2 hours.
You can't take a guess for another 2 hours?
Well, we had a choice, steak or fish.
Yes, I remember. I had lasagna.
Oh, it's nothing to be alarmed about. We'll be back to you very quickly.
Followed by the inevitable drooling. At this point, the entire digestive system collapses, accompanied by uncontrollable flatulence, until finally the poor bastard is reduced to a quivering, wasted piece of jelly.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit smoking.
Is there anyone on board who can land this plane?
By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane?
Port management, the FAA, and the airlines. Oh, cheats and liars.
So we had to take a special Jeep up to the main road. Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
It's an entirely different kind of flying, altogether.
It's an entirely different kind of flying. Mr. Stryker is the only hope we've got.
I've got to get out of here. Calm down. Get a...
Everything's going to be all right.
Sister.
Get out of here. I got to get out of here.
Excuse me, sir, would you... Donation to the Reverend Moon? Juice for Jesus?
Read about Jehovah's Witness? How about Buddhism?
Passengers now arriving. Please have your baggage claim checks ready to show attendance.
All right, Steve, let's face a few facts. As you know, I flew with this man Stryker during the war.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit drinking.
Shit. This is a goddamn waste of time. There's no way you can land this plane.
Have a hold of yourself. You gotta talk him down. You gotta.
Flying a plane is no different than riding a bicycle. Fourth thing. Somebody there who can work the radio and leave you free for flying.
Slightly ill. But the other two pilots...
It's running a little hot.
It's a damn good thing you don't know how much he hates your guts.
Just hang loose, blood. She's gonna catch up on the rebound on the med side.
Well, I could make a cap, or a brooch, or pterodactyl.
Hello? 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 Echo! Echo! Echo!
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit amphetamines.
Oh, it's a big, pretty white plane with red stripes and curtains in the window and wheels, and it looks like a big Tylenol.
Would you like a little whiskey, man?
Certainly not.
Sock it to me, sock it to me, sock it to me, sock it to me, sock it to me. A little bit.
How about this? The shit's gonna hit the fan.
And Leon's getting larger.
I'm giving the orders and we're coming in. I guess the foot's on the other hand now, isn't it, Kramer?
There's a sale at Penny's. The tower, Rapunzel! Rapunzel!
It's just what they'll be expecting us to do.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
Brakes. Red handles right in front of you. That doesn't stop you.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit sniffing glue.